What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man, on We Hustle Daily, man. Like I said, I'm just going back, showing you guys old vehicles that I've had before and what I was able to purchase them for and what I was able to sell them for. In today's video, we got a 2004 Nissan Titan. This Titan was the second Titan I ever bought. I actually like these Titans. This one was very, very nice, but it was a work truck. Well, it drove nice, let's just say that, but it was a work truck, as you can see. I did end up taking the Lear camper off and selling that separately. I think I only got $100 for that. So I did end up taking the Lear camper off, thinking that I could get more money, but it didn't quite work out like that. But yeah, man, right back into the video, man. This is a 2004 Nissan Titan. It had 152,000 miles on it. But as you can see, the truck was a work truck, man. I tried to clean it up a little bit, but the truck was a work truck. Wasn't nothing wrong with the truck or anything like that. Everything drove fine and everything. I paid $26 for this truck, so that's $2,526 out the door for this truck. I got this truck at a very, very good deal, man. Yeah, man. Let me show y'all the inside. As you can see, what I mean by it was a work truck. Open up the Lear for y'all any second now. Boom, there it is. And it was a lot of stuff back there, guys. I had cleaned it up like a lot because whoever had this truck, I think they did yard work or some other type of work, because it was like nails and all type of stuff, some type of carpenter work or something like that. Taking y'all on the inside, man. As you can see, it had seat covers and everything on it, but it was all right, man. It was decent in there, but it was like really dusty, man. You probably can't just see from the camera, but it was really dusty, man. But I did clean it up pretty good, and you know what I mean. It had 152,000 miles on it. Wasn't nothing wrong with the truck or anything like that, man. I wind up selling this truck for $3,500. Taking y'all up under the truck, it sounded very good, guys. They had take the muffler off, so I don't know if you had one of these trucks before or know about these trucks, but these trucks sound good. As you can see right there, they took the muffler off that bad boy, so it was kind of loud. At the end of this video, I'm actually gonna cut the voice out and let you guys see what I mean about how loud it was, because it really sounded good. But yeah, guys, $2,500 is what I paid for it. $3,500 is what I sold it for. The AC worked, the heat worked, and everything. The people who bought it, they was just looking for some like a work truck, or they was just looking for a work truck, man. They didn't really want nothing too fancy or anything. They had like a little trailer that they wanted to pull or something like that, so it was no big deal. They wasn't really worried about like the cosmetics of the truck. They just wanted to make sure that everything was running good and everything was smooth and everything like that. So yeah, man, I made pretty good money off this truck. Very excellent deal, man. $2,500 for, especially, man, a pickup truck, man. You're gonna pay a little bit more for pickup trucks at the auction, or anywhere you go. So I was very proud about what I paid for this truck. But that's it for this video. I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, guys. Again, got a lot more content coming for you guys. I want to be taking you guys to the auction with me every single day, so make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe and help your boy out. A lot more content coming for you guys. And as you can see, it had like the little police bar up there too, so I thought that was pretty cool. But back to the video. Let me show you guys what the cars sound like here. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Subscribe. Peace.
Riding